Very hot and humid temperatures are going to be the name of the game as we head into your day tomorrow, the upcoming weekend, and even into the start of next week as well. All thanks to high pressure reigning supreme just off the Florida Gulf Coast. The entire southern and eastern half of the nation is going to be roasting in some of the hottest temperatures we have seen so far this year. For your day tomorrow, a large part of our viewing area has been issued a heat advisory that will be in effect from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow evening, where heat index values could get as high as 108 degrees. As far as your high temperatures goes, even right along our immediate coastline with that sea breeze, we're going to be climbing into the lower 90s. Away from the immediate coastline across the PD and along the border belt, miserable. 94 to 96 degrees, just as a forecast high temperature. Factor in the humidity, it feels absolutely miserable. Mid to upper 100s across the entire viewing area, and that's why we have that heat advisory that will be in effect. So please be sure if you are going to be outside, you're staying hydrated, you're taking frequent breaks in shaded or air conditioning places, and of course, check on your pets and the elderly and of course, all of your friends and loved ones as well. You're going to call me crazy, but as we head into this weekend and even into the start of next week, it gets even hotter. For our Grand Strand locations, 91 for your day tomorrow and for your Saturday, 92 on Sunday, and potentially 93 for your Monday. Factor in the humidity, it feels absolutely miserable once again. 108 possibly for your for your Saturday, 111 maybe for your Sunday, and we're back down to 106 for your Monday. If we hit 108 to 111, that would warrant the National Weather Service to issue an extreme heat warning for our area, as the criteria for an extreme heat warning is 110. So that is absolutely going to be a possibility as we head into your Saturday and into your Sunday. Away from the immediate coastline, it gets even hotter as far as your high temperatures go. Extremely hot weather to say the least. 97 on Saturday, potentially 98 on Sunday, 2 degrees away from triple digits, and 95 for your Monday. Factor in the humidity. Heat index values will be in between, or likely be in between 107 to potentially 110 on Sunday. Very, very hot, however you put it, over the next several days. In the tropics, we've been watching Invest 93L over the past couple of days. It was originally thought that this could become Tropical Depression or Tropical Storm Dexter if it made it far enough southward over the warm waters of the Gulf to potentially organize into a tropical system, but that wasn't the case. Invest 93L has been skirting along the Gulf Coast and has had way too much land interaction with the Gulf Coast in order for it to become a tropical system. But regardless of whether it's been tropical or not, it has been bringing a very rainy week to much of the Gulf Coast, and that's what it's going to continue to do throughout the rest of its lifetime. It only has a 10% chance from here on out of becoming a named tropical system, but regardless of that, we're still looking at a lot of rain coming to the entire Gulf Coast, especially central and southern parts of Louisiana, and flash flooding is still a concern as well. The most interesting thing that I can show you from this system is that it's actually going to bring us our next best chance of rain for our area come next Monday and Tuesday. If you can recall that big heat dome that's going to be making it feel so darn hot over the next couple of days, it's going to be sitting right over here. And as the moisture from whatever's left of 93E gets pulled northward and around this ridge of high pressure, it's going to bring us our next best chance of rain. So this is our moisture forecast as we head into this weekend into early next week. Watch all the remnant moisture being pulled out of the Gulf from 93E as it rotates around this area of high pressure over the Ohio Valley into our area Monday and Tuesday, and then we get more drier air to dry us out as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. I just thought that as I was looking at these models today, it was pretty cool that the moisture or the next best chance of rain that we get is coming from the moisture as it goes up the Mississippi Valley into the Ohio Valley and then makes its way across the eastern coastline and into our area come next Monday and Tuesday. Just pretty cool when you're looking at weather maps, to say the least. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, probably brought to you by Hunter Plumbing Services. The main name of the game is going to be extremely hot temperatures for over the next couple of days. Low to mid 90s, right along the Grand Strand. Next best chance of rain coming next Monday and Tuesday. Overnight lows falling into the mid to upper 70s. Away from the immediate coastline, it's downright miserable. Mid to upper 90s as we head into this weekend. Next best chance of rain coming next Monday and Tuesday. Overnight lows very warm and muggy every single night, falling into the mid 70s. I hope you all have a great weekend ahead, and please stay cool out there.